You were having some problem with feeling comfortable playing your sax. You have a beautiful, what is this, silver plate? Senzo alto sax. So you're serious. You've got the gear set up. You are a dedicated player. Tell us about what you were experiencing with your right thumb.
So what I had before was like curled over, so it created a lot of tension and then just like wrist pain. So like with this thing, it just moves around a lot better.
Yeah, so she just put on the Rulon rest. This is a brand new carbon fiber version of the Rulon rest. And let's just look straight on this sax. You can see the thumb hook used to be here. And because your hands, can we look at your right hand for a second? Yeah, so quite small hands, right? And saxophones aren't designed for Hannah, basically. And so now her thumb can get quite high, quite comfortable, and you're still able to now play more comfortably with your side keys and such, or yeah.
Yeah, like I can move everything I need to move.
Awesome.
So this is way easier to access here.
To the side key, where are you pointing?
These.
Oh, the sides keys, the E's, the C's, the B flats.
Yeah.
Because you're not stuck in a hook anymore, right?
Yeah.
Where are you putting your thumb comfortably? I want to see how high. Look at that. Look where Hannah's thumb is. It's almost against the F sharp guard, but for small hands, that's where it should be. It should be able to move freely without the hook. Super cool. Thank you so much for sharing a little bit of music and experience with us, Hannah. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.